Well, while I'm at it, I figured why not make a video of the dryer for you, running with a load of towels. So, this is the dryer. Of course, you've seen, this is the one you've seen from my previous videos I did of the house tour, which I showed you. So, I'm gonna run a load of the same towels, which I just washed in the washing machine that I filmed. It's the same load. And not really much else to say other than, you know, it's an electric dryer, and it's a 27-inch wide dryer, so it's not your standard 29-inch with the lint filter on top of the cabinet. So these are the cycles and temperature, which is actually infinitely adjustable, which is kind of interesting. So, but it's a cool feature in my opinion. Cycle signal, and then your start switch, which I did not mean to start it yet, but that's the start switch, and I have it set to air fluff, or air as it's labeled on here, 30 minutes. Well, I'm not going to run it for 30 minutes, probably just a few seconds to show you the dryer running in action. But this is the model and the serial. So it's a 1988 dryer, so it's not matching to the washer. Yes, I know, but it's what they had at the time when we bought it, so that's what we decided to get. So without further ado, here we go, and I hope you enjoy. So far it works, no issues, except it is a little noisy. That's a problem with the roller support bearings, or support rollers, which the tumbler drum rolls on. I'm going to have to get a new set of those. Tall boy, I keep forgetting to pronounce your name like that. Tall boy. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I got briefly interrupted there, but to resume the video, this is it. So, the dryer works, as far as I know. Haven't had any issues with it since the thermal fuse, since we replaced the thermal fuse on it. So there you go. And that kind of stopped a little more abruptly because of the heavy load that's put on there. But and just show you, in case any of you are interested, I'll show you the buzzer, which is kind of cool. It only goes for a second or so. But there you go. And then when I turn it one more click, you'll hear the start switch magnet or whatever that's inside that. You'll hear it click off, and that lets you know the dryer's off completely. No power going to it whatsoever. And I actually took the control panel off this dryer once to find out what was in there, and I discovered that there is a electronic circuit board right next to the timer here. I believe it's in this position, if I'm not mistaken, which I thought was kind of interesting, being that this is a mechanical control dryer. But that's pretty much it, really, for the operation of the dryer. And I think we'll go ahead and move on to the next part of this dryer operation video. Well, since it's the right time, I might as well go ahead and tell you that the dryer has a lower axis panel. Because being it's a 27 inch, this is what they decided to do to kind of make it a little more compact, if you will, I guess. So this is what you've got for the innards of the dryer. And once again, it's electric, so it uses a heating element inside to heat the dryer. And there's the tumbler drum, and this is the main exhaust housing, or the exhaust duct housing, or the lint filter housing rather, where the lint filter goes down in the door, and that's where you collect the lint for that. And then this is the blower housing with the motor back there, you can see that. So yeah, it won't focus, sorry about that, but yeah, there you go. So this is it, and I figured I might as well go ahead and show you a real quick snippet of the operation from underneath. And real quick, you got a wiring diagram here with charts, which is cool. So here we go on the regular cycle. Now this is not the safest thing to do, beware, so, but just for video purposes I'm doing this. So here we go. You should see the heating element going here in a second. You see a little red spot right there. That's where it glows, and that's how it heats it up. So there you go. I'm running out of space, so that's going to wrap it up. Thank you very much once again for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. So take care, and we'll see you next time.